Look at that. Look how pretty that looks. Well, the only thing holding this glass in its integrity besides God's will is the window tint that's on here. Yep. It's a good one, ain't it? It's a real good one. Oh yeah, that's a good one right there. You look like you've done this before.
Yeah. Well, I've been doing this for 27 years.
Good. Oh, that's to keep it from rusting?
Yeah, because
bare metal
it's to bare metal, yeah. If I just put the glue over it, it would hold up for 6 months and then it would come through. Like the other guys, all that rust down there, they would just went like this and put that over the rust, which wouldn't have done anything, and they put the glass in there and it would have held. But like it probably wouldn't have leaked because the rust is at the bottom.
Yeah.
But it's just not the right way to do it.
All right.